Print head repair technique. Epson inkjet printer head block problem. Solution for print head recover. Tissue paper. Start folding for tissue paper this type. This is tissue paper folded. Apply this print this portion and then apply behind the print head this type and leave it for 10 minutes. You can also M series for recovery. Use this technique for M series print head recovery. Okay. Leave it for only 10 minutes in maximum. After 10 minutes, tissue paper absorb ink on this type. Finally, print comes. This head will be recovered properly. King also M series. Okay, this is working process. Need 10 minutes also.